lunchtime na nga namin at dito kami nagkayayaan kumain sa KFC dito sa Abu Dhabi Mall.
Ang amin nga palang lunch ay sponsor niya ang nakaputi. Yan po ay si Sir Paras. Siya daw ang sagot sa lunch namin ngayon, pero may twist naman yon. Ang twist ay kami muna ang magbabayad ng aming kakainin ngayon at babayaran niya daw kami sa sahod. Ayan na, tinawag na kami sa counter. Ready na yung aming order. Kinuha na nung isang kasamahan namin. Yan naman ay si Bilal. Sabi ko kay Sir Paras ay samahan niya si Bilal at baka hindi madala yung food na in-order namin. Ay kayang-kaya na raw ni Bilal yan. Hinayaan ko na kasi siya naman ang sponsor. Kain po tayo.
Ay, wah. Bilal, say something to Sir Paras, no, for the nice lunch.
Thank you so much, Sarfaraj, for this special lunch, and very much appreciated that you are giving without any reason. Without any reason, just giving us this much great lunch. So hopefully we are looking forward for next month another more than this.
Okay. Thank you very much for this wonderful lunch.
Welcome, boss. I'm doing this one for
I'm
advance.
expecting more party from you, huh? Thank you very much.
Dahil nagsalita na nga kami ni Bilal at nagpasalamat na kami kay Sir Paras para dito sa treat niya na lunch sa amin, pinagsalita ko rin si Sir Paras para marinig din namin ang rason niya bakit siya nag-treat ngayong araw na to.
I'm giving this one advance party for something hike. I'll tell you later. What is the hike? Next time, I'm giving advance party. We have to appreciate me in advance.
Okay.
Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain, pabalik na uli sa work.
This is video, no?
Ayan na nga at dumating na si Bilal. Palabas na kami ng mall. Yung kinainan pala namin KFC malapit lang dito sa Box Cinema. Dito kami dumaan palabas.
See, so we are here to watch movie. So our boss is just looking which movie they are going to watch. Action movie or funny movie or what? Action movie. What would you like to watch? Action. There is a new movie, Kill. Okay. Aywa. Boss, you wanna play guitar? Can you try, please? Gang gang. Ring ring. Ding ding ding.